Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a birthday video with pictures and music on Instagram. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Okay, and from here, you can swipe to the left and go to your story. Now, tap on your gallery icon on the lower left corner and select a background picture. So I will just select a random picture here. Let's just use this one. And after that, you can tap on the second option on the top. And from here, you can scroll down and find your gallery icon and tap here to add more pictures. So I will just choose one here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so this is going to be the picture of the one who's having a birthday. And you can go back and tap the second option again. And here you can add music. So here's music. And you can search in music. So for example, here we can just put some random music. Let me just type celebrate. Okay, so maybe we can use this one. Now here you have several options in here if you want to show the lyrics, but in my case I will just tap on music only and tap on done. Alright, now after that you can add a birthday sticker. So tap on the second option again and here you can search for birthday. So let's use this one. Now you can make this bigger and you can arrange it like so. So after this one, you can go ahead and tap on the next button here and you are all set. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.